you, Deke. Hold on.
There we go. Goddamn militia. Oh, God. Goddamn militia. Got a soldier down. Going back. Hold on, hold on. You're hard up. Hold back. Going back. What did you drop? I got a use for you. Militia. Goddamn militia. Another squad. Damn it.
Come on! More of them. Is that how you do Militia, come on! Come on, you sons of bitches. That's the last of them.
Brother, you're killing me. Where are you getting the creosote?
Just like driving that dump truck around.
Goddamn right I do.
All right, I'm heading to the old sawmill. They got a couple of storage tanks there. They should have all the creosote we need.
The old sawmill? Last I checked, there was a horde there. Big goddamn horde.
Yeah, I'm, pretty sure I knew that.
What, you still got a death wish? I mean, even after finding your old lady, Deke, we're gonna get her back.
Who's man? No, I don't. Look, I can handle this. Just be ready. I'll radio when it's clear to bring your rig in. Deacon out.
Deke?
Yeah, Ricky.
Boozer just told me you're heading to the old sawmill.
Yeah, and Boozer has a big mouth.
He is head of security. He has to tell me. You remember when I took you to the sawmill, right? You remember me showing you the horde that lives there?
Yeah, I remember.
The really big horde that lives, sleeps, and eats there.
Yeah, like I said, I remember. Look, Ricky, when I was with the militia, we created a sort of souped-up Molotov.
A souped-up Molotov.
Yeah, it's like napalm. Anyway, trust me, I got this.
We need you, Deke, alive.
Ricky, just fine. You don't gotta worry about me no more, okay? I know what I'm doing. Ricky?
Yeah.
I'm, just lighting some candles.
Okay.
And in this case, some big goddamn Molotovs, but you know, you get the idea. Deacon out. The old sawmill. This ought to be easy, right? I just gotta make sure I have enough traps, ammo, Molotovs, And anything else I can carry.
Holy shit, Deke. Looks like I missed all the fun.
Yeah. Next time, I drive the truck. You fight the freakers.
Yeah, brother.
Okay, just pull it over there.
All right, you got it.
All right, that's it. Head back to camp. I'll meet you there.
All right.
And, Boozman, drive carefully.
What do you think? That I'm gonna blow myself up?
Looks like everything's set.
Yeah. Rookie rigged this up for the steering wheel. We drive right up to the front door, jump, goodbye militia.
Okay, well, you sure you want to do this? I mean, it's a long way to drive with only one arm.
Asshole.
Look, Boozer, you and I both know it's probably a one-way trip.
Yeah. Then I won't have to drive back. Fuck yeah, I want this. Oh, but there's just one thing. Only a couple of bikers pull a dumbass stunt like this.
Just us.
Yep.
We're gonna do this or what?
Goddamn straight. Looks like Ricky's coming after all.
What's up, Deke? Nice jacket. Looks good on you.
Ricky, Addie, I appreciate it, but Boozer and I, we gotta take care of some stuff.
Word gets around. Your speech touched more people than you thought, Deke. I told you, you can't do this alone.
Man, this is
Oh,
crazy.
don't worry. They're not doing it for you. They're doing it for him.
Iron Mike! Iron Mike! Iron Mike! Iron Mike!
All right, listen up. The plan is simple. Boozer and I are gonna hit the north gate. We're gonna blow it to hell. Now that's gonna pull everyone at the south gate. And what you gotta do is just follow Ricky. Yeah? Are we ready? Me too. You ready? Listen, I'm gonna radio when we hit the bridge. Don't go in until that. All right! Let's do this! Iron Mike. got one shot at this, brother!
Damn it, Boozer.
Go. Get your old lady.
Boozer!
Why didn't you jump? You should have jumped. Boozer. Oh, God damn it, Boozer. Oh, God damn it.
My arm! I've been shot! Help me!
I ain't going to kill
Someone help me!
every goddamn one of you!
Help me! Open fire!
Sarah. I gotta get you, Sarah. Hang on, Sarah. I'm almost there. A heavy howl, God damn it. You're not gonna stop me. Come on, you son of a bitch. Shit, almost out. Get in there.
It's sealed! Come on, get to the upper cave! Move it! Go! Get up there and start setting charges! I said go, goddammit, go! You got that? Now go!
Skizzo. Son of a bitch, Skizzo. I'm coming, Skizzo. Oh, well, now we gotta do it the hard way. Top of the cone. Gotta get to the top of the cone. Flamethrower. Shit. Oh, I gotta find a way past these guys. Sniper. Gotta be on the tower. Gotta take him out. Gotta get past these guys. Almost there. Come on, keep going. Ricky, can you hear me?
Deke? We got him! We got him! Deke! Deke!
Ricky! Ricky! Oh, give him hell, Ricky. Made it. Hang on, Sarah. Sniper, get down.
Hurry it up already.
Fuck you. You want me to blow us both to hell?
God damn it. You hear that? Hurry up.
There. It's good to go.
How many is that?
Enough.
Let's get back to the Colonel. Come on.
Captain Sarkozy, reporting in. How many explosives did you say?
We gotta disarm it.
We didn't have time to set them all.
There.
What? God damn it!
God damn it.
How many?
Where's the others?
It's three! Okay,
I'm coming,
go
sir.
inside the detonator for me. Hold the cave entrance. Got that? No one gets down here. Understood, sir. No one gets down. And stay off this goddamn channel. It might have been compromised.
Okay. Okay, here's the second one.
Here.
Bitch. There. One more. Gotta find the last one. Almost there. Almost there.
Okay, I'm...
Careful, careful. Got it. That's it. Sorry, you're not blowing up shit today, Skizzo. Not today. Where are you hiding? Nothing is going to stop me, Skizzo.
Where's that goddamn detonator?
Fuck you, man. I ain't getting strapped in here.
Weaver, come on. You know we follow orders. That's how it has to be. Where the fuck is it?
Weaver, where's the goddamn
Skizzo, you better let him go.
Give it to me.
No! Hey! Hey! Weaver, get the hell out of here! Go on, go! I've got some people coming on the north gate! Go!
You stupid son of a bitch. You know that? I heard what you did, killing all those rippers. Drowned them like they was a bunch of fucking rats. You did the world a solid. I bet you that Iron Mike didn't see it that way. Did he? Yeah, you know that.
Come on.
Gave me no fucking choice. I tried to make him see reason, but he just fucking wouldn't. He just fucking wouldn't. Was gonna kill me real bad. Follow me all the way back here. Get back here. Huh? It's you. Fort St. John. You out the crew didn't feel too happy about that. No, sir. Girl like a...
Skizzo! We end this now!
Son of a bitch! I'm gonna kill you with my bare hands. You got that?
No! No! Damn you! Die, goddammit!
You know something, Skizzo? There was a time when I would have dragged you out into the shed. And I would have left you to the freaks. But hey. I'm not gonna do that. You wanna know why? Because they would tear you limb from limb. But you know what? They wouldn't enjoy it.
Shut up! All of you! I know what's happening out there! Out there! Outside the Ark! But it's out there! We are safe in here. Nothing can touch us. Do you hear me? God has ordained this place. This is consecrated ground. We are safe in this place. We are safe in this place. I don't know when or why, but I saw something. A month ago, maybe, I felt something. Something I hadn't felt in a long time, and I know that a lot of you might have felt the same way, and I think that if we just can...
Deacon?
I'll have your side on. Sit.
Let him go, Colonel. It's all over. Your militia is done.
Would you like some tea? I'm sure you would. Sarah, would you pour the Drifter a cup of tea? The Ark was our only hope. You realize that, of course. When the world was cleansed, it was the only thing that would allow us to rebuild. Everything was here. Protected. Saved by the grace of God. We never did find someone to play the piano, though, did we? It doesn't matter now. When all this is gone, there'll be nobody left to hear the music. You've destroyed us. You've destroyed everything we worked for.
No, Colonel, you did when you started this holy war. You know, given the choice between you and the freaks, I'm gonna have to go with them, because at least when they kill, they're just looking for a meal, and they don't kill unarmed women.
No!
Where's Boozer?
He's gone.
Water. Does anyone hear me?
Why don't you go get some water?
Okay.
Hey, could you set up a triage tent over there?
Hey, there's a cave entrance over there. You'll find supplies and bandages. Get some men. Go.
You, let's go.
Ricky! Patty.
Does anyone hear me? I can help. I'm a doctor.
It's over. Everyone that wasn't killed or wounded by the blast pretty much just gave up. Where's Boozer?
Ricky, I need some help over here.
The north gate! The south gate! Move!
Ricky!
Yeah.
Does anyone hear me?
What do you need help with?
Hey! Hope you saved some for me.
Boozer.
Sorry I'm late.
No.
Yeah,
No.
I jumped.
No, what the fuck? You
Just
were...
before I ran out of bridge.
I saw the truck.
No. I felt the blast wave. Even under 10 feet of water. Now that was a ride. What? You didn't think I'd blow myself up, did you? Then who'd be around to bust your balls?
I would.
Hey! Oh!
Hey.
Little sister. Yeah, long story. So, I hear someone's been looking for you.
What?
Kinda wouldn't shut up about it.
Yeah, don't listen to him. It was really more his idea than...
Ricky! Eddie! Which one of you is driving me out of this shithole?
It's all yours, brother.
So I hear that you're staying on to rebuild.
Not all the Colonel's ideas were bad. Just the batshit crazy
You're
ones.
the second person to tell me that.
Who else? Corey? You know what? Fuck that dude.
Hey.
He left us here to rot.
If it wasn't for him, we'd all be dead.
Whatever, man. And I think we'll try this again without all the army man bullshit.
Hey, you didn't miss my speech.
Nah, I wouldn't say I'm gonna miss it.
Brother.
We did it. You did it.
Man, I gotta admit for a second there, I thought that you were,
Gonna blow myself up? I told you I got shit to do. Give him hell, brother.
Yeah, here goes.
Chuck would be proud.
You did it.
We did it. Come here.
See? Good things happen when you stop and light a candle.
Well, this is sort of more of a bonfire, but
Right.
yeah.
Never seen you give a speech before.
Oh, come on. It ain't gonna be a speech.
Okay.
Man.
Shit. That's enough of that.
What does it mean that they're all getting quiet?
Yeah, they're waiting for you.
God,
It's your cue.
son of I know we got a lot of rebuilding to do, so I'm gonna keep this short. Look, I'm not a leader.
Yeah, right.
I don't care what you say, I'm not. But, you've done something here today. We've done something.
We banded together to fight. Not because some asshole told us to, but because it was the right thing to do. And you know what? We won. Yeah, I've seen you struggle to rebuild. I've seen you fight to save lives, to keep people safe, keep people fed. I've seen you sacrifice everything that you have, everything that you are, make the world a better place. And see, that's why we're still here. That's why we're still here. Because if we don't have hope for a better life, or for a future that matters, what the hell are we fighting for? You know, Iron Mike, he once said to me that we make the world what it is by what we do. Huh? What did we do? Huh? What are we going to do? See this? This is the first step.
I thought you weren't going to give a speech.
Yeah, I screwed up. How bad was it?
You know, it was all right for an outlaw biker.
Outlaw biker, huh? Are you ready to ride, old lady?
I don't know, depends. Where are we going?
Wherever the hell we want.
Know that we're bleeding, broken and scarred. Thought we were finished. Yeah, here we are, stuck in the same place. Despite what we overcame, sometimes don't it make you wonder, darling, when will it come to an end? 'Cause the price we paid left a mark that stays, and I don't think I'll ever be the same. We might have kept a black and white, but all around it still remains. Lord only knows forevermore what horizon's on for us in stars. Looks like there's no way around. But I know I'll try somehow. At least it's all gone quiet for now. Tomorrow don't mean